Last summer, Barack Obama talked about the Supreme Court's decision to uphold the Affordable Care Act. He talked about those with private insurance being able to keep it, insurance providers cutting down on administrative costs, children and young people under the age of 26 being able to stay on their parents' health coverage, and starting in 2014, states will be able to determine the best plans for those uninsured. Insurance companies can no longer discriminate against those with pre-existing conditions. They won't be able to charge exorbitant rates that can bankrupt you, and credit, and it will also allow credit to be used to pay the premiums. He also discussed why there should be a mandate for buying health insurance if you can afford it. Questions. Why wasn't a government program like universal health care or single-payer system not considered during negotiations when drafting the legislation? How strong or effective are the provisions in the law to cut so-called administrative costs? And by that I'm assuming CEO pay. Will they still be lobbying Congress in exchange for campaign donations to water down that provision? And what about those under governorships whose ideology counters any sort of government involvement with healthcare costs? Will there be safety measures in place for the poor or working poor that can't afford insurance? Or will we still be at the mercy of the political whims of right-wing ideologues? And how strong are the provisions that prevent those with health problems from being denied coverage? Will state governments be allowed to override any or all provisions in the law? Stay tuned.